We're going to replace a starter gear drive on this Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. We can see that the plastic Bendix is worn down. The gear's in good shape. We'll make sure we've got the correct pieces, that they line up. You can see the condition of the old Bendix, where it looks like a plastic worm gear. Loosen up the starter with the 2 bolts. We don't need to remove the entire starter, just make sure it's loose. Slide off the Bendix, double check all the parts. Slide on the new Bendix. Put the gear in place, slide it in, add the spring washer, the retainer plate. Install the retention clip and make sure it does not jump out into the grass. The new retention ring is a little bit too tight, so I'll use a ream to cut it down just a little bit until it fits perfect. I'll spread a sheet out onto the ground just in case that clip flies. May seem excessive unless you've had them fly before. Getting that clip on can be a little challenging, so I'm going to pull off the wire, then remove the starter. Set the spring on top. Take a socket and lay it on and tap the spring on. Just make sure that the socket goes all the way down the shaft. A 3/8 socket, if you put it down there and just hammer it on, sometimes that'll work. I find that a little tube works better. It just seems like with these little flats, it moves around a little too much. Place the C-clip on, put the tube on, and then tap it with a hammer. To get this little clip out, I put a screwdriver on, just kind of lift one up, then I can spin the entire surface and then just keep working it off. Because this starter is relatively new, I went ahead and went this path rather than a brand new starter. $13 instead of $35. Put the starter back on, give it a try. Very nice.